I'm just so in love with Mother Nature's creations. Look at this. Every single plant. It's an exquisite piece of art. I want to bow down to all this beauty and this life. I want to be part of this. I want to again find a way how to be part of this, to live in harmony with this beauty and this life. My heart is breaking every time I'm feeling into how I, as a human, I have been taught and trained into a lifestyle that is so separate, so disconnected from our mother. So I come here every day and I pray, please, Mother, help me to somehow use my life so that I can heal and I can serve the greater healing of humanity, to heal our nature and to reconnect to our mother. Please. Thank you.